So what we've got here, we've got your standard IDEX printer with BoxTurtle for, for when you want a filament changer on your tool changer.
Good morning, everyone. Jason from LDO here.
Good morning at the RepRap 2025.
Yes.
And this is amazing to be here again with Jason from LDO.
Yeah.
And he has some great things to talk about.
Some new stuff from this year. Yeah, for community, for user. Yeah. So let's start from some of our new productions this year. It should come in soon, but how soon? It depends on different productions. First of all, we have our Leviathan board, expansion board. So we can transfer from 2XY to 4XY, all-wheel drive easily. More and more all-wheel drive machine coming out. So this is the scenes for all-wheel drive system. Yeah, it's a come with PMC 5160, so you can go high voltage 48 for your speed. Yeah, second, we have the Nighthawk Hex. It's a 621 USB adapter port. So for steels change, you can connect all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tool head to your steels change tool change. Yes, LDO is working with steels change team, and we have our tool head change sub kit soon. Might be shown in the marketing next month. Another new stuff is the Jabberwocky tool head. We work with ERCF team, the designer, Terrence. And this is a new tool head. It's an include extruder, includes hot end. The hot end is Fader's conch, it's high flow, and it's come with Nighthawk 636 tool head. So this is a very unique design. It is a hinge design, so you can open it. If something happens, plug, you can open it and easy to maintain. You don't need to take off all the parts.
Nice.
Yeah, and it's come with a cut. It's used magnet drive. It's come back by the magnet force. Yeah. So all this new stuff should be coming in a couple weeks or in a couple months. Like the Leviathan expansion board should be ready to ship from China next week. Jabberwocky tool head should be ready end of month, but we might start pre-order from our major resellers from next week.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the other things is the BoxTurtle, and we have the BoxTurtle enclosure come up already. Yeah, we also plan to do a gold version for BoxTurtle full kit. It start pre-order from our major reseller like Fabrico, West 3D, and KB 3D. You can find around from those resellers. They might sell on site, get some discount or something. Yeah, that's all LDO showed this year. And of course, we also have positron teams here, show out our positron machine, upside down machine. It's still going on. The other new things we plan to work with our Australia distributor. It's called the auto ejector system. If you can go there to close look at it might be very interesting. So this is a automatic eject system. Basically could for any machine. So if you have multiple plate in the bracket, you put it back, get the printed parts out. It's all the automatic system.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this could be come up kickstart soon, right? Yeah. And LDO will be the manufacturer for this kit.
It sounds really amazing.
Thank you.
Was there also something that I saw on Twitter about a tool changer?
Yes, as I talked, the hex board is and the older tool head is for the coming tool change. Yeah, you can find the beta kit from the drag shift design turbos just across the street, the other side.
On the other side.
Yeah, it's easy to find. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, thank you.
So everything, I will put the link in the description.
Sure.
From LDO Motors, but also from the mentioned resellers as well.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so
Jason,
much.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, here at the Rocky Mountain RepRap Fest 2025 is an amazing dude. I have seen him several times, and now Joey is here talking about something very interesting for IDEX users. Joey, tell me more about what you have.
So what we've got here, we've got your standard IDEX printer with BoxTurtle for, for when you want a filament changer on your tool changer.
Okay, that is already amazing, but this is an IDEX.
Yes.
And you have a BoxTurtle connected to
Yes.
a IDEX?
I have the BoxTurtle connected to one of the tool heads on the IDEX because if you want more colors and more materials, it's easier to add a filament changer than it is to add another tool head.
So you got two tool heads for the IDEX, and now you have the option to print with 4 colors? Or how does it work?
Yeah, you can do 4 colors on up to 4 on the one tool head, and then you can have a separate material or an additional color on the other tool head. So if you wanted a multicolored object with some flexible components, or
You can
if
do.
you had a complex multicolored part where you needed some support material, things that won't contaminate your color print, right? Or if you just want to be lazy and use rollover, you now have up to 5 kilograms that you can use on your printer.
And how far does this go? Because BoxTurtle is not limited to 4 spools, isn't that right?
Correct. You can get more box turtles. I haven't experimented with this yet, but
It's in the works.
literally the only thing that we would add is the tool change macros, and they're all copies of each other. So I don't see why you couldn't put multiple box turtles, especially connected to the same tool head, on the printer.
So where can people find this, or do they have to go to a website to buy it, or?
So basically, I mean, you've got your box turtle kit this is a LDO kit.
Yeah.
So once you have your hardware set up, you come to the Doom Cube Discord, and that's where all the software is. Under the Tridex
What was the name?
tab.
Doom Cube?
Doom Cube. Like the video game.
Wow. I will put the link in the description where people can find it, click on it, and you can go directly to something very cool for the IDEX in combination with this. So this is for the Voron IDEX, of course.
So this is the Voron spin-off, Tridex.
Tridex.
But as far as I'm aware, this should work with any Clipper-based IDEX machine.
Cool. So, Joey, thank you so much. And
Appreciate it, Zach.